So I'm still out here in Mother Nature, and the power of nature is palpable, right? It really is a great place to breathe in the fresh air and emote and allow the trees and the water and the air and the wind and the breeze to really nurture and nourish your soul. This is what soul wealth is about. It's not just about how much money you can accumulate or how many assets you can acquire, and for some people that's really important. But what soul wealth really is about is inner peace. God desires that we prosper and be in health, even as our souls prosper. So I want to challenge you to extend your definition of abundance, because this is abundance. This is God's abundance. This is infinite abundance. And the one who created all of this, guess what? Created you and I. And if God can create abundance in all of this, God certainly can create abundance in us. Peace.